Our first year in R1, we were about 950,000. So, it's one of the best decisions we've made. I am Paul Glendenning. I've been with Restoration One since 2022. So before Restoration One, I was a general contractor for about 12 years. The only reason we decided to go with Restoration One, you kind of don't know what you don't know. So as opposed to starting Paul's Restoration, I figured that would be, and kind of bolting it onto our construction company. I was nervous that it wouldn't be a priority, and by kind of taking the leap with the franchise, I think it's really been a main focus, which has been really rewarding. Staying connected with the Restoration One network. It's been a big topic, like support from the Restoration One team, and that I mentioned with Jessica and Kevin and my FC, Matt Crotty. I think I've just seen a big shift in the last 6 to 12 months and a real push from them to increase that support, which has been great. Choosing the Restoration One path or just entrepreneurship, I don't know, it's something that's just been in my blood for a while. But being a small business owner and not having that support, I think I could definitely get distracted with a young family. Still running a small business without as much structure and without as much focus on what our target customer was at the time we would do. Having R1, it's really been the structure and the focus that has been important. Since we started, we only had 2 little girls. Now we have 2 bigger girls and a boy, and even more complexity within the house. But I think work-wise, it's nice because we kind of have like a vision on where we're going.